One of the biggest things they learned from many reports of last year is self-care was non-existent with remote workers. So basically, before, if you worked 8 hours a day, most people ended up working 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day. And they were eating less or eating too much and having literally no exercise. What I got a sense of is most remote workers have very little support from their company around this new way of working. And there's a lot of stress related to that, even though it's been almost a year.
What you're bringing up, Tony, that it's not just about the employee, it's about the family, the kids. And
Yes.
so if our purpose here is to, maybe the population is the families of people who work,
Yes.
and
Yes.
they themselves. And
Yes.
we're talking about some platform or tool which all exist, but they have to be personalized to the circumstances.
If you look at the corporate side, a lot of us, especially in Canada, you have these EAP programs, employee assistance programs, but most of them are very much focused on, if you have a problem, then you can call and get help. But I think if you institute more of, we're talking about, I think Veronica spoke about well-being, we've used resilience, is have ongoing programs to assist people, so they can have, behavioral health changes.
Especially if you work remote online, everything you do, your company knows about. So this is a good way not to micromanage your people, but to proactively say, time to take a break. Those kind of automated stuff can happen.
So I think, Tony, that what you are suggesting here is, corporate South Africa becomes a target audience by the use of a combination of analytics, behavioral analytics, productivity analytics. You
Yes.
provide a preemptive form of technology intervention, behavioral intervention, platform systems to ensure that the change of distributed working will support both the worker as well as the family of care.